Hey everybody! So, it is that wonderful time again where I get to unbox one of my favoriteest subscription boxes, FabFitFun. This is the summer box. We are in June 2018, and this time the charity is in support of Wildlife Conservation Society. Very cool, which I guess explains the bird on the box. I don't know. Let's dig in. I've had this box for like 2 days or 3 days, and I want to see what I have. So here's our catalog magazine thingy, and pass this card on and your friend will get $10 off their first box. Oh, very cool. It's an actual postcard. Alright. What do we have? A piece of jewelry. It looks like a belly ring. Is that supposed to be a belly ring? Oh, it's a ring. It's an actual... I'm a dork. It's an actual ring you put on your finger. Okay. Because it looks like a belly button ring, right? Tell me I'm not the only one who thinks that. Alright. Let's see if it fits one of my fat fingers. It might have to go on my pinky finger if I can get it out of the packaging. Good Lord Almighty. Okay. Put this here belly ring on my finger. Welp, I can wear it like that. That looks kind of weird. I could wear it on my pinky. Kind of weird though. Because you just got two white balls on your finger. I don't know. I don't know if I'll be wearing that one. Alright. What else do we have? We've got some makeup. Tartist Pro to Go. Ooh, from Tarte. Tarte is a good brand. So we've got a little palette. Bum, bum, bum. Oh, I got a message on Facebook. And look, it's from my cousin Martha. And I bet she's commenting about the post that I sent her about her FabFitFun box. She says it's still waiting for me. Well, you better open it up, sister. Because if you see this video, you're going to see what you have in your FabFitFun box. Alright. Back to it. Tarte Pro to Go. Those are pretty. They are some nice neutrals, nothing too sparkly and crazy. I'm at a certain age now where I can't really get away with wearing the glitter and the sparkly stuff, you know. Gotta rein it in and tone it down. Those are pretty. Those are, yes, I'm definitely gonna wear those eyeshadows. Okay, something from Pier 1 Imports. What is it? It is a little tray. A little dish, like a jewelry dish, maybe? I don't know. It's cute. Oh, what else? Sex kitten. Okay. What are you? Liquid liner. So it's, oh, and it's also from Tarte. Nice. What, Herbert? What? Oh my god! How cute is that? That is so cute! Oh my god, I love it. I love it. Look at the point on that. Ooh, wait. Oh, okay, that's like... Okay, so you can draw like a little thin line if you've got skills or you can draw a thick ass line. There we go. That's nice. And it's super cute with the little kitty cat face. Okay, what is this? Oh, it's one of those face brushes. Nice. It's a face cleansing brush. And it vibrates. Okay, it's got stickers on it. I can't open it now. But yeah, Smart Beauty Coach? What does that mean? Wait. Get smart about your skin. Know it, perfect it, love it. Measures skin moisture, reveals skin age, customizes cleansing routine, app records progress. So this syncs to your freaking smartphone and you download an app and it like does these things for you. Measures your skin moisture, reveals your skin age, so it tells you like how old it thinks you look, I guess. That's high tech. Oh my gracious. Okay. Moving on. We've got something you work out with. Okay, that's cool. Is it like, we must increase our bust? Is that what this thing is for? Work out with fitness trainers Giovanni Villa and Ava Burkhart on FabFitFun TV. So, it's a resistance band. Oh, I bet you can put it like around your legs too, and like do, kick your leg out. Okay, that's cool. Shoot, I could do this watching TV. This is like my kind of exercise. Sitting on my butt, watching TV and or YouTube. Yeah, okay. I'm done with this. Alright, moving on. Bum, bum, bum. Coola! Classic face. Classic sunscreen. Organic skincare. SPF 50. That's like the base minimum SPF that I need to not burn. I literally have a sunscreen that's SPF 100. No joke. Okay. Oh, and it's white tea scented. Let's check you out. Or not. Rude. Okay. Ba, ba, ba. It's very thin. It's like watery. It has like a very subtle floral scent. I like that it's not overpowering. And I like that it doesn't smell like friggin' pina colada, because a lot of sunscreens do. And it stinks. So this is nice. It's really thin though. I don't know. I guess if it's too thick it'll like clog your pores, because it is meant for your face. So yeah, I will be using this. Okay, it looks like we've got a bag of some sort. Like a makeup bag maybe, or a travel case. I don't know. Some sort of something. Oh, hey now. Okay. Come on. Nice. Very nice. And it's got another compartment with little other compartments in it. Very cool, very cool. This would be good for travel. $50 off your purchase of $200 at yumikim.com. I've never heard of it. I'm guessing that's the name brand of this object right here. Will I be spending $200 on that website? Probably not. Okay, I think we have one more item. Hold up, I got a straw. Nice, this straw saves marine life. So it's a reusable straw. I almost didn't notice it because it was hidden in all these noodles. Okay, so this is the second to last item. This is the last item. Ooh, papaya enzyme peel, nice. Because I need to do something about the skin. Exfoliate and purify tired, lackluster skin. Non-abrasive fruit enzymes work to leave skin soft, revitalized, and radiant. Very cool. I will definitely be using this. So, where's our little magazine thingy? I'm dropping stuff. So, I pay, what is it, like $39.99, I think, something like that, for the seasonal quarterly box, whatever you want to call it, so you get it every 3 months. And the retail value of this month's box is, wait, it says I'm supposed to have a beach towel. I don't have a beach towel. Oh, okay. Okay, you either get a makeup train case or a beach towel. You don't get both. Okay, fine. So, wow, there's like a lot of these items that are, you get like this or that, or this or that, or this or this or this, or that or this or this. So, Martha, your box may be entirely different from mine because there's a lot of different options. Okay. So, the makeup train case, which is by Yumi Kim, and it does say it on there, it's just hard to read, retails for $58. Okay, I got the palette from Tarte and the liquid eyeliner. That's a set, apparently. So you either get this or a highlight and contour palette. I'm glad I got this one because I don't do highlight and contour. That's not, no. I do not have time or the skills for any of that. So I'm very glad that I got this one. It retails for $43. And then you get, let's see, you either get a hair protectant spray or the enzyme peel, which is somewhere around here, probably on the floor. I'm happy I got the enzyme peel. It retails for $45. Good Lord. So with tax, I think it's like a little over $40. So basically, like, I paid for this and I got everything else for free, right? Okay, so you either get a face rejuvenator or the loop resistance band or a cute wallet. This retails for $15. Okay, so you either get this ring that I thought was a belly ring or Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar. I want that one. Or a de-stress muscle gel. So I got the ring, and it's the most expensive of the 3 items listed, but I probably won't wear it. Shoot, it's 14 karat gold plated with 2 naturally cultured freshwater pearls. I don't know. It's like, I don't think it's me. But it retails for $55. And then we got our freaking space age face thingy They call it a fofo? What? Oh, exclusive launch. Guess what? You're one of the first to get your hands on Foreo's newest revolutionary device. It is powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile, which is sent straight to the newly launched Foreo Luna app. This sucker is $89. What? You are tripping. And it's called a fofo. That's funny. Y'all, I don't even have a smartphone. So, like, I'm not plugging this in. I'm just going to use it on my face. And it costs $89. What? That's crazy. Okay, moving on. So, the face moisturizer, which is on the floor, by Kula, that is $32. Okay, so it's a ring dish. I was right. It's a jewelry dish. $14.99. Oh, that's a good idea. It says place it near the kitchen sink so you can take off your rings before doing dishes. I don't usually wear rings, but that's a good idea. And then the straw. That must just be like a bonus. Okay, so yeah, it says raising awareness for wildlife Conservation Society, and there's a cute picture of an otter. Oh, so cute. Give a sip. A plastic straw has a lot more impact than you think. Imagine a graceful sea otter. Wait, is that an otter? Yeah, it's an otter, which is what I just said. It's swimming through the ocean, and it mistakes a plastic straw for a delicious meal. The next thing you know, the sea otter accidentally ingests the plastic and has a 50% chance of survival. Okay, I'm bummed out now. It's a serious problem for the ocean, the wildlife, and for us. Okay. Alrighty. So that's a downer. So give a sip, y'all. Reusable straws from now on. I'm gonna go cry about otters. What else is in our catalog? Okay, so it like has a whole article or whatever you want to call it about the face brush thingy. Yeah, I love this. I don't know what you call it, and it's like a magazine kind of. Oh, and it gives you like exercises to do with your whatchamacallit, your loop band thingy, and some fun stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna read this, and shoot, I might read it while I'm doing my little exercises. So this is fun, and I wish that I had like a promo code for you guys, but I don't think that I do. If I find one in all this literature that I have, I will definitely share it with you guys. Otherwise, sorry. But I hope that you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed unboxing it. It's, like I said, it's one of my favorite subscription boxes. Because, like, a lot of this stuff, I'm from a small town. So, like, we don't have this stuff available at, you know, Walgreens and Target, and that's like your Walmart. That's like all we have. We don't have these high-end boutiques and stuff. So, you know, I get to try products that, you know, are not really available to me if I just go into a store into my town. And the retail value of everything, like, way exceeds the price of the box. So I love it. So I'm going to stop rambling, and I'm going to thank you for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.